Hearty welcome to you all. My respects to our revered chairman, Sir Mr. T. Sridhar, parents, students, and all the wonderful viewers. Sri Shirdi Sai Group of Educational Institutions is always appreciated by its contemporaries that we are successful in whatever we do. But the secret of our success is we begin with the end in mind. And today I am here before you all to announce a new group that we are going to start for the coming academic year for the classes of 11th and 12th CBSE in Daphne Civils Academy. So Shirdi Sai Educational Institutions is a platform where Y turns to wow. This has been proved 4 years back when we started with Daphne Civils Academy and with a unique group HEG, History, Economics and Geography. Later in the coming years, we had a unique combination of Maths and Humanities MHEP. And the astounding results what our students have produced speak volumes. This academic year, we are coming forward with a very new group of Maths, Business Studies, Economics and Psychology MBEP. All the courses offered by Daphne Civils Academy are in fact our social investment in future leaders. The MBEP course is actually a management course for students in higher education. We are very confident and sure that this course is going to work definitely because it is built upon the three innate attributes: the child's passion, his instinctive learning and his creativity. Students pursuing sciences and mathematics need higher IQs, whereas students who want to pursue business studies definitely need higher SQ, EQ and AQ, which is the need of the hour. Envisioning this a decade from now, we have started this new course MBEP, wherein children will be given the right awareness and proper skill enhancement, making them good economists, good psychologists and true businessmen and helping our nation to go ahead. When you are not practicing, someone somewhere is practicing, and when you meet him, he will win. Practicing this notion right from the inception of the organization, Sri Shirdi Sai has been successful and created a mark for itself. We are very sure that this new group MBEP is going to help students crack the top B school entrance examinations and will place them in reputed universities in India and abroad. Thank you all for listening me.
Hello everyone. A warm welcome for all the parents and students. We are very glad to inform that we are coming up with a new course called MBEP, Maths, Business Studies, Economics and Psychology. Now firstly, we actually started with HEG when many people actually questioned us, why arts? History, Economics, Geography today, in fact at Daphne Civils Academy, is the hot cake. This year when we started with admissions, many people came up with asking us an option called whether there is any course called related to business studies. In fact, we have been training students not just only for civil services, many students are also trained for law as a complete profession. So this course of MBEP, Maths, Business Studies, Economics and Psychology, it basically focuses on what really makes a business, what really makes a human relationship. And the examinations what you write up, or be it with respect to business studies and psychology, what after 12th, what kind of examinations you are trained after 12th and all, is you are being prepared for first important thing is CLAT. Common Law Admission Test is one good examination which you are trained for, because business studies along with legal studies is one very good excellent combination. Okay, it's like an hypertension topic. Both you are being highly wanted by the corporates, business studies and legal studies combination. You have good universities like Symbiosis, you have in NLU Kochi, you have in NLU Odisha, where BBA LLB is one good option being provided. Apart from that, if you seriously want to pursue your 3 years of huge undergraduation only towards management, you have BBA from reputed universities like Symbiosis, number of universities where they provide BBA, Business Administration. In South India, especially in Tamil Nadu, you have a course called it's not just related to administration, it's about business management. So you have BBA and BBM. Next you have BMS, Bachelor of Management Studies. So all these are being, all the students at Daphne Civils Academy are being exposed to different courses, different examinations, where after their 12th, they choose up their program. Either it may be administration, either it might be management, okay, or it might be even with a combination of legal and management. Some good exams, what I can make a gist for you is IIM Rohtak and IIM Indore. Normally students or many people who have management as a career option, they take it after the graduation by either appearing for CAT, Common Admission Test, to enter into the elite IIMs. But these two institutes, Indore and Rohtak, are offering a 5-year integrated MBA. Apart from that, you have an exam called UGAT, Undergraduation Aptitude Test, where you can apply for most of the BBA courses which are in Gujarat and Maharashtra. One very good exam you have is NPAT, which is being conducted by Narsi Monji Institute. So business studies and psychology, we seriously hope that apart from all these successful courses which you have taken now, like HEG, MHEP, MBAP also will definitely bring a lot of laurels to our institution. Now, taking a cue from it, Dr. Rudra with double doctorate in managerial studies and almost 20 years of industrial experience, he has been associated with many managerial institutes. We are very glad that he has been associated with Daphne Civils Academy. We now would like to hear a few inputs from him with respect to how business studies and psychology make up a good career.
Thank you for giving this opportunity, and I am glad that this Shirdi Sai institutions is coming out with such a novel and wonderful course. The combination of maths, business studies, economics and psychology is a terrible combination, I must tell you, because having spent 2 decades in the management education, in fact we come across a lot of pitfalls, because the management education, especially business management education, works in isolation. In fact, we iterated and we have made a lot of integrations with the other courses. Something like business analytics is something which is absolutely in good shape, which is lacking the mathematical skills. So in fact, that is been needed now. The additional courses are been run to give that mathematical input. Now with this Shirdi Sai is coming out with a combination of maths and business studies right at the senior secondary level, at the +2 level itself is a wonderful move. Embedded with the economics, because economics deals with the demand and supply. When you add the business statistics with the economics, it gives an absolute overview on the businesses and how it has to be performed. And on top of it, psychology. Again, psychology actually, understanding the customer is the need of the hour. So if you understand the customer need, then you can design the products. So that's how the businesses are born. Now it's an era of the innovation and entrepreneurship. By the psychology, if you can understand the organization psychology, if you can understand the business psychology, if you can understand the psychology of the customers at the various segmented levels, so one can launch the product, one can generate the business and one can give the employment. That's how the economy grows. So this entire combination of this MBEP is a wonderful choice, and I congratulate the Shirdi Sai institutions for picking up this particular course, which is unique. And I must tell you, this particular background at the +2 level will definitely give a wonderful career choice to the aspirants at the graduation level and to the PG level. And now, since I have been associated as a mentor with Niti Aayog as an exemplary mentor, in fact we are working on innovation and entrepreneurship, and we want the school students and the senior secondary level students to start innovating with the national problems. So once they identify that, if the student studies the psychology, then he can identify the problems, then he can understand the economics. From there he can understand the demand and supply mechanisms, which he can integrate with the business studies, and finally he can calculate from the maths background how he can bring out the feasible and workable solution. So this is a wonderful course, and I am glad the course of this kind is coming at the +2 level. And thank you, Rajesh, you have been a program manager and program dean of this. I think with your delivery, I am glad this is going to pave a wonderful road to the students. Thank you, Rajesh. And I must tell you, the vision of Shirdi Sai Group, especially I should congratulate the chairman Sridhar Garu for having such a wonderful vision of launching. In fact, I was quite excited when the last year when they came out with history, politics and maths and economics. Such a wonderful combination itself is paving, but being a business management professor, I was thinking, you know, I should have had the business management because there's a need of the society. And this year, in fact, they came out with this wonderful program, and I'm glad to associate. And I absolutely see a very good road for the India with this course and these courses of this kind. This is quite unique, and I thank the management and the chairman's vision and able persons like the teaching and the program deans who are really meticulous in rolling out this program.
Thank you, Dr. Rudra sir.
Thank you, Rajesh Garu.
We have been seriously glad, in fact, of you being associated with our MBEP new course. In fact, every year when new courses coming up, we seriously have the kind support and wonderful coordination by our chairman, Mr. Sridhar. We seriously wanted this to happen here at Rajahmundry because a serious vacuum actually exists at our education system at senior secondary, where either students end up at MPC or BPC, and we have completely crossed over it when we brought HEG and MHEP. So, being the Dean of Daphne Civils Academy, once again thank the management for this wonderful opportunity, and I thank you for your inputs, and we wish this course is going to be a boom for most of the students from Rajahmundry, not only Rajahmundry, in and around Andhra Pradesh and South India, that this course is seriously going to be a serious hit. So we wish and we welcome most of the students under business studies or psychology to our institution. Thank you.